Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to audible an NCAA Road to Glory. An audible is your ability to change the play at the line of scrimmage, giving you a crucial advantage. This allows you to react to what the defense or offense is showing, rather than sticking to a pre-called play that might be ineffective. You'll want to consider an audible when you spot a clear mismatch, anticipate a blitz, or see coverage that your current play won't beat. It's all about making smart, quick decisions to outmaneuver your opponent. Executing a pre-snap audible is straightforward. First, press the audible button, which is usually X on PlayStation or on Xbox. This will bring up a menu of alternative plays. Use your directional pad or left stick to cycle through these options, which typically include 4 to 6 different plays tailored to your current formation. Once you've found the perfect counter, simply select it. The play will then change, and you can proceed with the snap, confident in your adjustment. Beyond just changing the entire play, you can also make individual adjustments. On offense, hot routes let you modify a single receiver's path. After calling an audible, select the receiver with their corresponding button, then pick a new route from the options. Defensively, you can shift your line, blitz a specific gap, or change coverage assignments. These micro-adjustments, like moving your linebackers one step to the left or right, can be incredibly effective in countering the opponent's strategy and creating turnovers. Strategic audible usage is about reading and reacting. If the defense shows a heavy blitz, audible to a quick slant or a run away from the pressure. Conversely, if the offense lines up in a spread formation against your run defense, audible to a zone or man coverage to prevent big passing plays. It takes practice to quickly identify these situations, but with experience, you'll develop an instinct for when to audible. Making smart, timely adjustments can be the difference between a game-winning play and a costly mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.